Hello and welcome to our new video. So this video will be totally focused on the beginners, and this is the first video of the series. Like I'll be coming with the more videos for the beginners, which will be the extension of this video. So if you're someone who want to get started with Excel, or you're someone who has just started using Excel, so you can come and check our videos and you can practice with that. So without wasting much of our time, we'll start with I'll just tell you some things which you should know before starting with Excel, like the formula bar, name box, ribbon, status bar, and this is our quick access toolbar. So formula bar is basically here we write our formulas that you'll see how we are using that in the video. The name box is basically, it contains the name of the cell, like A10, A11, you can say C9, and if there's any table in your spreadsheet, then it will contain that as well. When you give name to a particular range, these things can be seen in the name box, so you don't need to worry. When we'll be moving forward with our next videos, so we'll check out how we can use that, these things like that. We'll say quick access toolbar is basically this area. So like this is useful for someone who is using some function on a regular basis or frequently, so you can just put that on quick access toolbar, so you don't need to go again and from the ribbon. Like I am using filter function on regular basis, so I'll just right click and add it to the quick access toolbar. So from here I can easily use the filter function. And status bar is here, like you'll right click, you'll see many things. Sometimes we use maximum, minimum, count as if we want to check the maximum value or minimum value, we go with the formula. But the easiest way is you can just select the range in which you want to look for the maximum or minimum value, and you can just right click on the status bar. You'll be able to check. Like currently we don't have any selected range, so it's giving us blank. We'll see that as well in sometime. So let's just get started. So the three topics that we'll be covering in this particular video will be how we can create a spreadsheet, and what are the basic formulas and functions we should be knowing while we are starting with Excel, and the last will be our filter and sorting functions. So just let's start with our first topic, which is editing and creating a spreadsheet. So there is nothing, you don't need to do much while you're creating a spreadsheet. You just have to select the cell in which you want to put the value, and you have to start writing. That's it. And you can use the arrow key to move right, left, down and up, and enter to just move to the next empty cell, tab to the right of the current cell. So we'll just write some data, like just take an example. I want to create a budget for me. So let's see. I'll just write some of the expenses that are very common to everyone, like on food, on travel, then we'll see on rent, if you are using some kind of Wi-Fi and all, so you'll have Wi-Fi. You can call your some personal expenses. So just expense and the amount that we are allotting, like food will be taking 2,000 per month, for travel we'll be taking 1,500, for rent let's say I'm spending 8,000, Wi-Fi will be 1,200, and my other personal expenses, let's consider as 3,000. So this is it. We have created a basic budget, and now when it comes to presentation, we will see how we can present our data in a very attractive way in the coming videos. For now, this is it. I mean, it just took us 2 to 3 minutes, not even that, to create a basic budget for us. So this is how you can start with Excel. I mean, with my personal experience, if you want to learn Excel, you just need to spend 10 to 15 minutes per day. That's it. That's enough. I mean, you'll be able to do many things in a month for sure. So we'll come back and we'll go with our next topic, which is how to use basic formulas, in which we'll be particularly seeing sum function. Then we'll check average, max and min, and I'll show you how we can use status bar as well for the max and min. So this is basically a sales report for the month of May of a particular company. So you can check the month in May and the region. I mean, it might the company might be operating in different regions. So there's only 2 regions for now, which is East and West. So the region next is products. There are only 2 products. That's paper and pen, and the quantity sold and the cost of the product is written over here. So if the basic maths we can do, that's it. Like cost is equal to quantity. I mean, this should be price, right? Okay, so the cost is equal to price into the quantity sold. That's it. Nothing. I mean, the basic maths that we use. This is it. Just drag down the formula. Like, see, the black box, the black cursor, this is normal. If you drag, the same value will be shifted to somewhere else, right? So when this is bold black cursor appears, just drag it down. That's it. You have copied the formula from first row till the required rows. Okay, then we'll see total cost. Total cost is nothing but the total of this sum of this cost of all the different products, right? So one way is, I mean, if you don't need to show the total cost, then you can just check from here also sum of the, and average is also same, like you can check the average as well, right? Now if I'll right click on the status bar, see, minimum value is 30, right? And the maximum value will be 945.35. We'll check with the formula if that's correct. So formula for sum is equal to sum, and we'll select the range from where we want the values, then close the bracket and enter. That's it. So it's 2022.41, right? Now see the status bar. Sum is 2022.41. Again, for average is equal to a average. Take same values, enter. 252.80. Same we got in status bar as well. See, 240. No, it's showing us 940. Sorry, maximum is that. Average is here, 152.80. So it's right. For maximum, again the formula is same. Max take the values, enter. 945.35. See here, 945.35. And for minimum, min. That's it, 30, which we got here as well. Count is showing the total values which are there in the selected range. So that also can be calculated using formula. The formula is nothing but count 8, right? See, there are two formulas for counting. So the count is only for the numerical values. If you have a numerical value, then you can use count function. Like if I'll change the range to the alphabetical values, it will show as 0 because there is no numerical value in that, right? So to count alphanumeric, I mean the numeric as well as alphabetical value, we can use counter function, right? See, so if I select this, it will come up with 8, right? And if you, I mean, let's see, it said that it's alphanumeric, so we'll add one more range, which is numeric. See, 16, 8 plus 8, 16. So count as the function that is used. Now let's assume that you want to, okay, just leave it for this video, we'll check it in the next videos. So this is the basic formulas that we use. Eliminate count as well, just go with count. Okay, so these are the 5 formulas. I mean, this can work for you if you just want to prepare some basic spreadsheet, and if you just want to get started and create a small spreadsheet, and you want to edit a spreadsheet, these things can work for you. And other things we'll discuss in coming videos, so don't worry about that. Let's go with how to use filter functions. So filter is nothing, just, I mean, you have a set of values, you want to check for a particular you want to check the values based on a particular filter. You can call it like, I have marks of the students and I want to check for a specific student, then I need to use filter. Okay, so that's also very simple. Just take the header of your sheet or your data and go to data. In sorting and filter, you will have filter. Select that. Now you got filter. So it's useless to filter the month until and unless you have dates. Like here you have dates, but I mean, we don't need that for now. Region, this can be done. Like I want to see only the data for the west region, okay, or I want to see only for the east region, right? So that we can do. Same goes with product. I want to see only the pens, right? Or I want to see only paper. That also I can do. See, here clear filter option is there. So whenever you want to clear the filter, you can just go and clear the filter. Quantity is also, I think, useless because they are, I mean, it's only important when you want to check, like I want to see which product is sold at 10 rupees. So I'll go and select 10 rupees. The paper is there, right? And that's it. So cost and amount, right? So this is a basic filter you can apply on a data based on your requirement. The same is the procedure, like again, just click on the filter, it's gone. So next time when you want to select, you have to, I mean, you can't directly just go and click on the filter, you have to select the range. See, applied, gone. Okay, now we'll see sorting. So there are 2 methods. First one is, again, you go filter, apply filter, and here you will get some sorting option, smallest to largest, largest to smallest. Even in alphabets you can do like A to Z, Z to A. Some color sorting is also available, like we have used 2 colors, so it's giving option for color sorting. That's used when you have, you have a data set and there are different colors used in data set, and those color represents some specific values, right? So there you can use this color sorting and all. For now, just go with the basic, like I want my cost to be smallest to largest, right? The smallest, the cheapest item should be on the top, the lowest sold item should be on the top, and it goes like that. So cheapest item is for 2 rupees, which is a pen, and see it's going like, otherwise I want the costliest. So this is how we can do that. I want to check which product is sold in highest amount, so 73, then it goes in descending order. Highest sold items, the total revenue for us, where we are getting our total revenue, so we are getting almost 945.35 rupees from selling a paper in the east region. So these things you can do, using sorting. The other option that you have is, again you have to go to data, sort. See, sort option is there. So first, before clicking on the sort, you just have to select the whole range of your data. Like if I just select the header, it will automatically ask me if I want to expand, because just one row you can't sort. So I'll go with just expand my selection. Now it shows how you want to sort. Sort by is how you want to sort, which column you want me to. So I want to sort by amount. Okay. Sort on, like we saw there. So you want to sort the values, or you want to be sort on the basis of color. This is cell color, like the background color of the cell. This is font color. This is conditional formatting. So don't get into it. We'll see later. And the sorting, like smallest to largest, largest to smallest, and also custom sorting is there. So that also we will see later. Like the 2 is enough for now. So I want it to be sorted from smallest to largest. Then click OK, right? So this is what the basics you can start the Excel. So I'll come up with more videos extending these topics, and I'll just cover some of the more basic examples in the next few videos. Like when you will be comfortable with these small things, then you can use other functions like if function, which is used for conditional approach. Then in sum also you have sum if, count if, average if. So these are the things we'll be covering up in next videos. So that's it. Thank you for the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.